Welcome, in front of me is DELL Precision 5520, and in this video I'll show you how to perform a factory reset on this laptop. So first you'll have to press the start button, then go to settings, then select the system settings, then go to recovery option right here, and then select reset this PC. Now if you're connected to the internet, you'll be able to install Windows from the cloud, but we don't need it right now. So the first choice you have to make is whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. Basically, if you keep your files, this wouldn't be a hard reset. This will only reset your settings and delete some apps, but most of the data will stay on your device. So if you want to perform a full reset, then select remove everything. Now, as I said before, if you're connected to the internet, you'll be able to use cloud download. It might take several hours in this case if you use cloud download, but you'll get a fresh Windows copy. So if your Windows files are corrupted, then I strongly suggest that you use this one option. But if they're not, and you just want to reset your Windows using files on this device, then go with local reinstall. This will be quicker. And the last thing we have to do is select the change settings, and right here you can either decide to clean to just remove your files, but you can also switch the toggle and clean the entire drive, and this will make your device unrecoverable. So this is actually a great option if you want to fully reset your PC and prepare it for sale, for example, but I'm gonna go with no options simply because I don't want this video to be that long. And you can also decide if you want to reinstall Windows from this device, or download a fresh copy of Windows and reinstall Windows with a fresh copy. So I will go with no options too, but you can decide for yourself. Now select confirm, then go select next. Wait a little while, and as you can see, resetting will remove all your personal files and accounts, any changes in settings, all apps, and reinstall the Windows. And when you're ready, just select reset, and then wait for a while. It might take about half an hour to maybe a couple of hours until your device fully resets. And at this point the reset is complete. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.